Alright guys, so here we have lesson 5-2 practice, and this should be another quick one. So Hannah's housekeeping charges $20, a $20 flat fee, plus $12 an hour to clean a house. Let me get my pen ready here, as I am sure that we are going to be writing. So first of all, write a function c of h for the cost to clean a house for h hours. So we'll just do that right here. So c of h is equal to 20 bucks flat fee plus $12 per hour. All right, what are the units of the domain in the range? So the domain units are hours. That's what we're plugging in. So we'll say hours. And the range is going to be dollars, right? That's what we're calculating. That's what we're figuring out, the cost. Okay. I'll put cost here, dollar cost. Okay, what is the slope of this function? Interpret the slope as a rate of change. So slope, or m, is equal to 12 in this case. And as a rate of change, it would be $12 per hour. Just like that, as a rate of change. Slope and rate of change are the same as far as value goes. It's just that rate of change has units associated with it. Okay, number 21, write a function h of r for the hours needed to clean our rooms. Oh, and forgot to read it, right? Hannah's housekeeping can clean one room every half hour. Okay, so how can we write this? Well, we have h of r. All right. And we are going to say for every hour, essentially, we're cleaning half of a room, right? So that means we have half of a room, 0.5 times r. Okay. You can write this as a decimal, or you could also write this as a fraction. It would be r divided by 2. Okay. Again, for every 1 hour, there would be one room divided by 2. Okay. Or you could leave it as a decimal. That's fine. Okay, so we're going to write a function c of h of r to represent the cost of cleaning our rooms. All right, so we'll say c of h of r is equal to, let's go ahead and use c here, so I have 20 plus 12 times h, which we are going to plug in h of r, and h of r happens to be 0.5 times r, okay, which is equal to 20 plus, and 12 times 0.5 is 6 r. Okay. So what is the value of and the meaning of c of h of 12? Well, we're just going to go ahead and plug that in here. So 20 plus 6 times 12 is equal to 20 plus 72, which is equal to 92. All right, and so what does that mean? 92. Well, that's the cost of cleaning 12 rooms. That's what we're plugging in, right? We plugged in 12. In this case, this would be R. So this R right here is number of rooms. So we'll say cost for cleaning $12 rooms. Put a little comma there. Okay. Yeah, so let's see. We got 24. Explain how a composition of functions forms a new function from the old original functions. Excuse me. Obviously, your answers are going to vary here, but we'll say the output of one function becomes the input of the other function. But I mean, there can be a lot of different answers here. So the output of one function becomes the input of the old function of another function. Oops, becomes the input of another function. Okay, just like this. Like here, we had C of h of 12. Well, you would do h of 12 first if you wanted to. Like I didn't actually have to come up with this this 20 plus 6r. I could have just done h of 12, which that would be 0.5 times 12, which is 6, and then that would become C of 6, and I would come up here, plug that in. Where's my C? There, or C of h. There it is. So 20 plus 12 times 6, which would be 20 plus 72, which would be 92, and you'd get the same thing. Okay, so the output of h of 12 became the input of C of h. Okay. All right. So I'm going to scroll out here, and that should take care of lesson 5-2 practice.